Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a sample video recorded on the DOOGEE X95 affordable smartphone. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, I'm here in Corstorphine, in Edinburgh, recording a bit of a sample video with the DOOGEE X95. And as you can see, even just from the viewfinder, the light in the sky, and it's not a particularly bright afternoon here in Edinburgh, takes quite a bit of a washing out, as in the sun overexposes the sky. Autofocus also takes a while to pick things up, but all in all, for a device that you can purchase for around about £50 sterling, it does a pretty good job. Obviously it'll be down to you to judge what colour reproduction is like. I'm deliberately choosing some challenging colours here, a lot of yellow and green. So let us know what you think in the comments of this sample video recorded on the DOOGEE X95. Definitely some challenges with autofocus there. I'm going to walk for a bit. There is an Electronic Image Stabilisation, or EIS, option in the menu. Let's see if it actually works. We're walking through the old kirkyard in Corstorphine, Edinburgh. Lovely old church that harkens back a few hundred years. And we're currently taking a shortcut through the graveyard that takes you to one of Edinburgh's main streets, St. John's Road. So as I said earlier, if you enjoyed this video or would like to ask any questions, leave a comment in the section below. But for now, thanks for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube.